In 2026, don't waste your time with solar panels that are less than the best. I'll show you what to keep an eye out for when choosing a solar panel and share the top 3 brands that we use here at Paradise Energy so you can make the best decisions for your goals and needs. Here at Paradise Energy, we take it to the next level and we look at a variety of different factors. We look at the product offering. What are the types of panels that they offer? Does it fit our projects? We look at the cost. We look at the location of the headquarters of the company and where they manufacture. We look at the efficiency and quality of the product. We looked at customer service. We look at warranties, and we look at the length of the time that that manufacturer has been in business. So here's what you came for: the top 3 brands that we recommend in 2026. Axitec, SEG, and Silfab. A couple of things that are really good about Axitec. First of all, they have a light domestic content option, which is really helpful. They're very cost effective. They're a German brand. They have excellent customer service. They have an excellent 30/30 warranty. They've been in business 25 years, and we've been using their product for over 10 years. The next brand I'd like to highlight is SEG. They have a small commercial panel which works very well for our commercial customers. They are a US-based brand, and we actually traveled to their Houston, Texas facility where we took a tour and did a video of that manufacturing facility, and you can see that video in the description below. One thing I really like about SEG is their efficiency at 23%. Really good module efficiency. They've been in business for about 10 years. We've been using them for around 3 of those years, and use cases for SEG is roof mounts and ground mounts without domestic content. The final brand I'd like to highlight is Silfab. Now, my favorite part about Silfab is they make their own cells right here in the US. Now, they're more expensive as a result of that, but they allow our projects to comply with domestic content and get the extra 10% tax credit for commercial projects. They're a Canadian brand with manufacturing in Canada and here in the US. It's a high quality brand. Their temperature coefficients of 0.29% are among the lowest in the industry. They've been in business for 16 years. We've been using them for around 2 years. And domestic content ground mounts is the use case for Silfab panels. So which panel is right for you? It depends on your goals. Some panels work best in certain situations and some work better in other situations. All of these brands are very similar in terms of efficiency and quality. For a homeowner, I would typically recommend SEG for roof mounts or ground mounts without domestic content, or Axitec for the all-black look for that nicer aesthetic. For business projects, I would recommend Axitec for roof mounts with domestic content, or Silfab for ground mounts with domestic content. The solar panels aren't the only thing to think about when considering solar, so check out our Best Of series for more product recommendations. But before you go, subscribe for more honest solar insights, give this video a like, and leave a comment to let us know what brand fits your needs best. Thanks for watching.